Hello friends. So today we are going to code the Dobble game using Python. Okay. So first let us see what this Dobble game is. Okay. Okay. What we'll do is we'll open it. So in this game there are two cards, okay, and some symbols are present on both the cards, okay. Exactly, this game is designed such that any two cards will have exactly one symbol common. That means we have to find the same symbol in both the cards. Only one pair has the same symbol, right? There are 8 characters in this, 8 symbols on this card and 8 symbols on this card. So possible pairs of symbols are 8 8s are 64, right? Erase. There are 64 possible pairs, 64 possible pairs on this card and possible pairs on this card, and exactly one of these 64 pair is our same symbols. So we can see this fire and this fire has the same symbol, okay. And here also we can see this. There are 4 cards and each card, if you take any 2 cards on this deck, exactly one symbol is common in all of them, okay. Rest are different. So we have to tell, we have to make a Python code that simulates this Dobble game. So here are the rules for this game, okay. We will go to the next page, okay. Okay, so there are the rules for this game. We should have, we will code 2 cards, okay, for each game, and both will have the same number of symbols. Okay. And second, only one symbol common in both the cards. Common in both cards. Remaining all symbols are different. All other are different. All other should be different. Should be different. Okay, this is an important point. Okay, we have to keep this in mind. Okay, third is, yeah, only one symbol should be common, and so for only one, and we have to select position for the common symbol, for the common symbol in both the cards, both the cards, okay. So okay, these are the 3 points we have to keep in mind while writing the code. This point is really important for Dobble game. Just one symbol can be common in both the cards, and we have to be careful that no other pair of symbols is repeated in the cards, okay. So yeah, so and what we will do, we will replace these symbols with letters, okay. The set of letters will be our symbols in this case. We'll just erase everything from the screen and let us see the code now, okay. So first what we are doing, first we need to make the length of the card same, okay. So we are initializing 2 lists with initial value 0 into 5. That means there will be 5 symbols in both the cards, okay. And for the set of symbols we are using, we have imported the library uh, string and random. We will be using these 2 libraries. So we are using, there is a variable ASCII underscore letters in the string library of Python that generates the symbol from small a to small z and capital A to capital Z. These will be our symbols that we will be placing in our both the cards. Okay, and we are converting it into a list. Okay. Now we are picking our same symbol for both the cards. Okay. So this is the variable same symbol and you are using random dot choice, and from this list of symbols we are picking any one random symbol to be our same symbol, and we have to remember we cannot repeat this symbol again. So we are removing from the list of possible symbols, we are removing the same symbol. Okay. Now we have to find the position where the same symbol will be placed. So position 1 is for card 1 and position 2 is for card 2, and we are using random dot randint and is finding an index between 0 to 4. Okay, cause possible indexes, cause randint, this produces the last character including, right? So 4 will be also included in this. Okay. So if the positions of both the symbols is same, position 1 is equals to position 2, then we will just place the same symbol in position 1 and position 2. Why we are checking this is if the position 1 and position 2 are different. Suppose position 1 is 0, suppose position 1 is 0 and position 2 is 2. So what we will do is, in card 1 position 1 we will put the same symbol, card 2 position 2 we will put the same symbol, and here only, so in card 1 we have filled index 0, card 2 we have filled index 2. Now in card 1 we will fill index 2 and card 2 we will fill the index 0 with a different symbol. Okay. So for card 1's position 2, card 1's position 2, we will pick a random symbol using random dot choice and remove that symbol from the possible symbols after using it, because we cannot repeat it, otherwise two symbols will be can be same in our uh, both the cards. Okay, and then what we will do, in card 2's position 1 we will again pick a random symbol and remove the symbol, we cannot reuse it again. Now, remaining positions. So we have filled two positions, right? Yeah. In both the cards, we have filled two position. Position 1, comma position 2 in card 1 and position 1 and position 2 in card 2. In both the cards, we have filled two positions and remaining positions we need to fill. So we will initialize our index with 0 and when we will repeat this procedure till 5, because our both the cards indexes are from 0 to 4. Okay, so if as we have already filled in both the cards position 1 and position 2, so if your index is not position 1 and not position 2, then only we will have to fill it, right? So card ones and card twos, we this ith position we will fill with a random symbol, and after filling we cannot repeat this, so we will remove it from our symbols list. Okay, and then we will increment I. So our both the cards are ready after this stage, so we are printing our both card 1 and card 2, that is our game. Now we will ask the user to input the which character is same in this. So he will give his input in the guess variable, and if the guess is equal to same symbol, we will print right answer. Otherwise, we will print sorry, the answer is wrong. So let us run this code and see. Both the cards are printed. We can see only one letter should be repeated. Yes, it's which is repeated. Let us see. H is repeated. Remaining nothing is repeated. So we will give the answer capital H and it's the right answer. Let us run again. So capital B is the same character. 3 times we will give the right answer, then once we will give the wrong answer to check the code is working. Capital B, Okay, now we will give a wrong answer. The right answer is capital F. We will give C. So that's a wrong answer. Okay. So the code is working fine. Hope you like this video. Please share it with your friends. Subscribe to my channel and happy coding. Bye bye and take care.